Hello, my dear students. Standard 4th, subject ENV, chapter number 3. The name of the lesson is A Day with Nandu. Animals like oxen, horses, camels, and elephants are used for riding, while animals like donkey and bullocks are used for carry loads from one place to another place. Animals like lion, tigers, cheetahs, elephants, foxes, and deer live in a forest. Parents, brother, sisters, grandparents, uncles, aunties, cousins, etc. stay together, live together in a joint family. Father's fathers is called grandfather. There are many benefits of living in a joint family. For example, blessings of elders, advice from elders, children grow quickly and easily due to being in a joint family. Children learn more community living and respect for elders right from their childhood itself. Nandu is a baby elephant. He was sleeping. He woke up suddenly. Where was he? He was not sure. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a big forest of big grey tree trunks. He was nervous. Oh, mother was there only. The grey forest that he had imagined that he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family member. What is the importance of living in a herd? The answer is like that living in a herd or group together gives safety and security to us. Nandu's Nani is the oldest in this herd of elephants. At noon, she trumpet a loud sound and started moving toward the jungle. The other female elephants started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. Now look at this picture. There are many elephants and baby elephant also. Herd is a group of animals. Elephants move in a herd. Only female elephants and baby elephants are there in a herd. The oldest female elephant is the leader of the herd. The herd reached the jungle. All female elephants went to different places and started eating twigs and leaves of different trees. After eating, they moved toward the river or lake. The baby elephant joined playing in a water. Nandu's mother lay down in the water and mud. Elephants love to play in mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears are also work like fans. Now find out. Nandu is only 3 months old, but his weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? My weight is 25 kg. Can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? So the answer is, when the weight of 8 children like me is added, it will be equal to Nandu's weight. Fun in games. Nandu saw his brother and sister pulling one another's tails. He thought, I better not go too near them. What if they fall on me? I am still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. Mother gently pushed Nandu toward the water, as if she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. Before sunset, the herd started back toward the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. You have read about Nandu and elephant's herd. An elephant's herd has mainly females and baby elephants. The eldest female is the leader of the herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 females elephants and young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in the group. These groups are called herd. Animals in herd usually move around together searching for food. Now I give you information about National Park. A national park is a large area of the jungle protected by the government where animals can live freely. We can go there and enjoy the wildlife. In a national park, no one can hunt and kill the animals. An elephant's ears work like fans. When it is very hot, an elephant fluffs its ear to become cool. It can even drive away a small insects that sit on its face, mouth, or head with its